So let's look at this paper right here. This question, the trigonometric graph. Now the thing is that the first part A is pretty easy, but you have to think a little bit about the part B. I'll talk about that in a bit. The period of y, which is just y equation, y expression is given right here, and we have this thing, the period of y, which can be found with the formula 360 by the coefficient of x, which is going to be given as answered as 36. The amplitude of y, which is going to be the coefficient of the entire trigonometric expression. So this trigonometric expression starting with cos, let's say, has the coefficient of 7, so our amplitude will be 7 easily. And from here we can easily find out the values of a, b and c, but in this case we have to find it out in as an expression, equation, because obviously the graph starts from 0 to 90. The graph looks like this from 0 to 90, which means that because it starts from the minimum, from the intercept point, it means that it's going to be sine. If it starts from the maximum point, it's going to be cos. So basically what you have to understand is that in normal cases it's going to either start from the intercept point or the 0 point we are considering, or from the maximum point after adding the amplitude. So in this case our 0 point or our this point is going to be 7, so it's going to be something sine something x plus 7. So now we have to look at the amplitude. The amplitude is going to be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the amplitude is going to be 5. Next up we have to look at the period. The period is at 90 degrees because the graph starts from here, ends at here, and again starts from here, ends at here. So it's going to be at 90 degrees. The way we can easily calculate the period is by using that similar formula again, 360 by b equals to 90, because as I said, the period of the cos and sine can be found by dividing the 360 by coefficient of x of the angle. So we have this one, this thing become 4, b equals to 4, this little thing right here, so it's going to become b of bx, 4x. So it's going to be y equals to 5 sine 4x plus 7.